All right, so market recap for the 2 days I didn't trade, Tuesday and Wednesday last week. So let's jump right in. Okay, going into Tuesday, this candle hadn't closed yet. We closed on the 4 hour above this high. That breaks us to the upside. Below there, not closed. Below there, not closed. Below. So we were bullish, and the 4 hour was bullish, which means we're looking for 1 minute shorts, overall longs. Now this video is all hindsight. It is all hindsight. So we're looking for high time frame points of interest to get hit before moving lower. All right, so on the hourly, we had this hourly imbalance. We were acting within this massive imbalance anyway. On the 4 hour, you can see. So do we hit this pre-market? We do. We hit the hourly equilibrium and hourly imbalance. Pre-market last Tuesday there was news pre-market at 8:30. So that's a news wick, which swept out liquidity here. The pre-market, we come into this hourly imbalance and hourly discounted price range. Hang on a minute. This is wrong. Start again. This is all hindsight. Whatever. 4 hour structure is bullish. Close of the high here. Yeah, so we're looking 1 minute shorts, overall longs. There we go. We want to see. We have an hourly imbalance here. That gets news filled. We have hourly lows here and hourly lows here. Just want to see them swept and that filled before moving higher. Depending on the 4 hour. No. Okay, so can we go this far back on the 1 minute? Yes, we can. So news does in fact sweep out everything, sweeps that 1 hour liquidity and fills that imbalance. So we'll probably be looking for longs going into market open. And then we invalidate that imbalance. We don't break structure till up there. I'm not sure if a trade would have been taken on this day. Just sort this out. There we go. Whether or not we read into the market a little more and saw this hourly imbalance that we've already marked out, and again that 4 hour equilibrium that we've marked out, whether we read into that and used intuition and thought we're going down more, we've just had a big shit, we're in that huge imbalance. So honestly, I wouldn't know what would be done today. But on the 1 minute, we literally wick into that discounted price range. I believe. Sorry, this is a bit shit right now. Yeah. take it from there to there. That's 4 hour ranges, surely. Yeah. Price comes into that equilibrium range, and then whether we spotted this imbalance getting disrespected and break of structure in the same candle. That's a 1-to-1, those hourly lows. Whether we spotted that, who knows, this is all hindsight, of course, because the 4 hour structure was bullish. But it depends what we'd considered that high time frame point of interest getting hit moving down, whether we took that news candle as a fill of the hourly imbalance and stuff. It all really depends. Really, I honestly wouldn't know whether we took that news candle here as the sweep of hourly lows and filled the imbalance and we would have looked long straight away, or we decided not to do that because we were already in 4 hour discounted price range. Who knows? And this imbalance, that is completely unknown what we would do, but based just off this alone, discount and premium, we're coming into that discount. We come into that discount straight away, and again, yeah, we get that 1 minute imbalance and that break of structure in one go. What does the 5 minute look like? I don't know, but as a market recap goes, what happened was we came into that 4 hourly discounted price range and then got reactions out of it, and then just moved down, really. That would be it, really. Whether we would still be watching the charts at this time to try and catch another trade. We filled that 15-minute imbalance and we get a reaction back down, sweep out these lows again. I couldn't tell you. That is NQ for that day. ES, would it have given us a better entry? Let's have a look. So the 4 hourly invalidated that imbalance there. Broke structure. Didn't. It was okay. So ES hadn't broke to the upside. ES was in fact bearish 4 hour market structure because we had that low close below. We're watching the highs. There's a high, not closed. There's the most recent high. There's the most recent high. There's the most recent high. That candle wouldn't have closed yet. So it means the 4 hours bearish, which means you want to move up first before moving lower. So you'd want to see hourly highs get swept out. You have hourly highs up there. We have an hourly imbalance there that we are already acting within. So let's see, market opens and we get pushes up. So 4 hour is bearish, looking for 1 minute longs up. So what would give us a long trade within here? Not much. We have that imbalance. There we get reaction out. Whether we enter actually just off that rejection candle with a target. Who knows what we target, to be honest. Probably those highs. We would get stopped out. We would get stopped out, sorry. But ES did in fact push up to those early highs before selling off. NQ did just sell off. So if we were patient enough, we might have caught a short in here because the 4-hour structure was bearish and we're in this high time frame point of interest already, which is the hourly imbalance. So if we were looking for a short off of this, we had an imbalance here, we break structure there, and then we invalidate the imbalance there. So put our stop above those highs probably a little bit. Again, all hindsight, and target those lows. That's probably a likely trade, to be honest. It's in line with our strategy. We do have that hourly imbalance that got hit. This one that we were playing within, and we caught a short down to here. Right, going into Wednesday, we'll go back to NQ first. Wednesday, the 4-hour. There's the low. There's the low. 4-hour had broken structure. So, if the 4-hour is bearish, we want to see longs to high time frame points of interest and then shorts off of that. So Wednesday we would have drew equilibrium probably from this high down to the most recent low before market open. So there, that probably is a low on the 15-minute chart, yeah. So we probably want to try and long up to there, maybe, or this imbalance. The 4 hours in a massive imbalance as well here. Whether we would have tried to long up to there, who knows. But NQ really did just properly dump. So honestly, Wednesday I doubt would have been able to take a winning trade, because as market opens, we don't get much at all. We sweep out 1-minute highs, create an imbalance there, come up, fill it, do we break structure to the upside here? There's a break to the upside, watching the lows, low, low, there's the break. Whether we enter short off of that. Couldn't tell you. And then targets would probably be hourly lows. Or that hourly imbalance. Don't know. That's what NQ did on Wednesday. Just instantly shit the bed, really. We probably would have wanted to long up to here to then go down. But yeah, that's NQ really. Not much on the 2 days we missed. ES still bearish. We never broke to the upside. Still bearish. So I guess you want to see high time frame points of interest hit before moving lower. With an hourly imbalance there. Hourly equilibrium up there. And then we want to see that hourly imbalance did not get hit pre-market, so we'll be trying to long up to that. We get a 1 minute break of structure, and then we get nothing else on the way up to that imbalance. And then once our high time frame point of interest is hit in the form of that imbalance, we'd be looking for shorts. So we're waiting for that break of structure. There's a low. We break structure there. And there isn't any imbalances within this area. All of that's out. It's not really an order block, is it? Right, as we sweep out those highs, all of that's our order block. It's not really any imbalances. We have a bullish imbalance there. And then we break back to the upside. But then as that high time frame points of interest hit, we'd be looking for opportunities to short. We break structure and, well, we disrespect that imbalance. We break structure here. Whether we short just off that. Target the liquidity down there. Who knows? Because it's all hindsight. That's a struggle with a market recap. But our strategy would have worked out here, as the 4-hour structure was bearish. The high time frame point of interest got hit in the form of that hourly imbalance, and then we get that confluence to fulfill the 4-hour bias. Really? That is the most likely outcome. That's the trade recap for the days we missed. Yeah. Hope this helps. It was a bit not very nice price action for our strategy, especially on NQ, but ES did have some good moves. It was nice to have a 2-day break from the charts, to be honest.